All right, we're here at the party store, and we have Lily trying on hats. Nice cowgirl, Lil. Ooh,
oh no, Opa,
that was
it's you.
awesome. Let me see, Opa, let me see.
There, I can see.
There, I could be a sailor. How's that, Lil? Is that good? Ooh, Ivy's a cowboy. Ivy, let me see you. Nice.
What else should I try on?
What are we here looking for, Lil?
Party stuff.
Party stuff for who?
Beba.
For Beppa. Oh, perfect, a pink one. Yeah, nice.
I got a dark one.
Just call me the Mad Hatter.
Opa, let me see. Oh, Papa. Suit you, Opa. It's beautiful.
Oh, Lily, a nice fuzzy hat.
There's a cow one.
Where's the cow one, huh?
See?
There is a cow one.
That's a doggy.
Clint Eastwood over here.
We'll put some shrimp on the bobby.
It's Mommy, get this one. Mommy,
I'm here.
look.
Everybody loves the hats. Those are awesome. Give me another one to try on. Oh, look at the Rasta hats.
Here, put it on.
It could be a Rasta guy. What's up, yo?
Might try this one. Try this one.
Oh, yeah, we like this one.
Yeah.
Ready for the party? Opa is a sailor. And a little jester hat.
I want to try.
Ooh, Lily. All right, we got to get shopping for the party stuff. Everyone, look at me and say toodles.
Toodles.